Liam here from Primal Nomad. I'm here with good friend Connor and James. So we're actually going to cook up some pigeon today. This is some wild pigeon breast that I've prepared and filleted myself. So we've just got a tiny bit of, what's that, oil and butter just in the skillet here. So we're just going to pan fry these. Still got their skin on, so it should be really lovely. Just going to give these a quick little wash since they've been field dressed not too long ago.
Half a spatter.
We're going to cook these little fillets first, hey? These will cook first is what I mean, so.
Yeah. Should we salt and pepper them first, or?
Can do. Can do salt and peppered skin, or salt and peppered meat, or both sides. Do both sides, I guess.
Oh, just both sides.
Yeah, go for it. That's the salt and pepper mix, is it?
Yeah, that's together.
Very good. The white pepper?
Great, yeah.
Yeah, good man.
Great for when you just out and about. All that smoke.
That's very good.
My eyes. Always chooses the worst place, isn't it?
Nice.
We get those bits going.
Little tenders, yeah. Little pigeon tenders.
Pigeon tenders.
Perfect.
Pigeon strippers.
Lovely. Heat over this then, so. You've got a extended length. Oh yeah. Oh, you're out to shrink up. Oh.
That's just a nice, isn't it?
Come on, there you go. That flips as well.
It's like pigeon bacon, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like steak. It really is like steak. It's so
It
game.
looks like steak.
Try a little bit of this.
Yeah, that one.
Each, shall we?
So good.
There you are.
I love that just like half go.
So funny. So, pigeon breast I think is about done. So have a little look. Just don't really want to cut too hard onto this skillet, so let's have a look. That looks perfect.
Nice.
Just slightly pink on the inside. Chop this into a few slices and share this a bit between us all. Perfect.
Souped up.
Nice.
Go in. Terrace a bit, James.
That's really good.
Oh man, that's delicious.
It's delicious. It's like
It's like lamb.
it's like lamb steak.
Oh.
A little bit.
Great.
That's really good.
Mm.
Oh. So, got one of the ducks that I prepared earlier. I'm gonna feed this through this spit. Perfect. You can see most of them little hairs and feathers on there. Sorry. Are gonna singe off over this fire. Spread that fire out a little bit.
Oh my god, that's so hot.
What you want?
Do you reckon you'll just need one across, Liam?
Yeah, I should imagine so. I should think if we try and aim for getting it just to stop turning on the spit.
I might not need it.
So the duck's starting to crisp up nicely, and you can see the feathers starting to singe off in different places. What you can do is just give these a little scrape at this point. You can see some of them feathers starting to come off. Generally speaking, most of them will burn off over the cooking time. It's getting nice heat underneath. And in fact it's turning quite well on the stick without having to be skewered through. Just gonna turn this now, slowly turning it. It's good to turn every 10 or 15 minutes. See how the feathers are starting to singe off, and if you do want to, you can just start pinching these and they do pull out at this point, or you can use a knife to scrape them. At this point I'm just going to leave it. Looking good here, lads.
Yeah, it's looking real good.
Right, you're off then, Connor.
Indeed. It's good seeing you.
Yeah, good seeing you too. You
All
enjoy
the
the
best.
pigeon?
Yeah.
Well, we'll let you know how the duck goes.
Yeah, that's it. You'll have to let me know.
No worries, take care, fella.
See you, mate.
See ya.
In a bit.
Doing well, hi James.
Yeah.
Crispy. It's amazing how much fat's in there, I reckon.
Get this.
Yeah, there's a hot plate for it.
So it's what? Honestly, it's great or not.
Yeah.
I know how much it shrunk.
I know. It's come down, isn't it? It's like a pigeon size. So just while we've got some flames here, just move the duck over just out onto the side for a little bit until they die down. Don't really want to be cooking on flames too much. Just move it over to this side here, where it's still extremely hot.
How many times have you done that?
Oh, loads. Too many. So just gonna turn the duck now. It's been on for probably just over an hour, James, or something.
About that.
Yeah, it's good. You can see how the feathers are starting to come off now. All the burnt, singed ones. Looking really tasty. Probably give it a tiny little bit longer and then we'll probably start carving it. Just lower that so it's a bit nearer the embers, hey? So don't really need to build the fire up much.
Warm.
Yeah, it's kicking out. There we are, it's really quite hot under the bird. So it's really nice to actually be out here with a friend James. He's just gone off to collect a few more bits of firewood. And it's also really nice to be cooking some wild meat, and that's something that I've kind of said to myself in 2018. I really want to focus on more. I want to focus on not only eating wilder meats, but obtaining them myself. So hopefully coming soon there should be a few clips or a few videos of me doing a bit of hunting and shooting, and hopefully these videos of the preparation and cooking should help for you guys.
So it's probably going to be one of the last opportunities that I get to spend doing some bushcraft with James today. He's moving to New Zealand, so definitely go over to his Instagram and check out, all of his stories and his posts. I'm sure you'll all enjoy them.
So the duck is pretty much done now. It's got a really nice crispy skin on it. Yeah, duck's definitely ready, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice and crispy. I'll move that to one side.
Yeah, shut up. Should be cold, shouldn't it?
Look at that. That's perfect. How are we going to do it then, James?
I don't really know. I reckon.
Slice bits off?
Yeah. It's just
Cut straight down the breastbone?
Yeah, I reckon so.
Oh my word.
Wait a minute.
That is cooked perfectly.
Literally spot on.
Come on, James. Super hot. How is it?
Great.
First we're going in for the taste of the duck. That's amazing. Wow. Almost doesn't even need seasoning. But yeah, salt and pepper definitely. Oh, the skin's amazing. Wow.
Is that a shot? Or was that just a bit of something?
That's a little bit of a bruise in it, yeah. Probably a shot in there.
It's so good, just a little drop of hoisin.
It's they're the kind of things you'd miss when you were living out in the bush there, right?
Yeah.
Close in, so
That's your mark.
comes out quickly, did you say?
Yeah, very.
Oh yeah. Super quick.
Yeah, I did exactly the same. I feel like there's going to be a shot in this.
Oh wow. That's incredible.
Oh, I'm good.
So I've got a little bit of hoisin on the duck here. No, it's just incredible. Sometimes it's nice to bring seasonings out into the woods, but I mean it's good without it. Yeah, what's your verdict anyway? For a freshly field dressed duck. Nice.
It is amazing.
Well, thanks ever so much for tuning in again, guys. We're going to finish this off now. Enjoying it. It's brilliant. See you on the next one.